Hey guys, so quick video for you. If the Binance email verification code is not sending, I know how frustrating it is. And someone wrote it here that for some reason the 2FA just wouldn't work at all until I switched from Wi-Fi to serial data, then everything magically worked again. Also, my experience is that check out if you're gonna get the verification code on your phone through the SMS, let's say, through the messages, check if in spam messages if you don't have it. And check your email filters, also try to remove those. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And have a great day and goodbye.